Hear the conch shells calling through the Pacific skies, from the mountains of Savaii to the shores of Upolu. This song belongs to the children of freedom. Before the sunrise touched our sacred ocean shores, our forefathers stood unbroken through the storms of foreign wars. With courage in their spirits and the fire of Samoa strong, they carry generations with the power of one song. The mouse stood like warriors, though their hands refused the blade. Samoa, more Samoa. Through every sacrifice they made, blood and tears upon the road, so freedom could arise. Now the Southern Cross shines proudly in our island skies. Now hear the drums of liberty echo through eternity. The children of the ocean sing tonight. Samoa, Tulaʻi, rise forever free. Voice of our ancestors calling through the sea. Raise the flag of freedom high for the world to see. We are the sons and daughters of Polynesian destiny. From Apia to the villages, united hand in hand, guardians of culture, faith, and this blessed island land. On the 1st of June we sing with pride eternally. Samoa, Tulaʻi, forever we are free. We remember tua'a says he's standing brave before the fire. Mata'afa and the leaders who carried freedom even higher. For every mother marching, every village keeping strong, His spirit lives within us every time we sing this song. From the pain of Black Saturday, the light of hope survived, and on Independence morning Samoa came alive, first among the islands to reclaim her destiny. Now the whole Pacific hears our anthem of the free. Red for the courage of our people, blue for the ocean of our home, white stars shining through the heavens, guiding every child of Samoa. Samoa, Tulaʻi, let the heavens hear,
A nation born from sacrifice,
and fearless pioneer
from 1962.
until eternity.
The spirit of our islands lives in unity.
Samoa, Tulaʻi,
Sing across the seas,
for the warriors of freedom who brought this nation peace. On the 1st of June we stand in harmony,
proud children of
the greatest islands of the Pacific Sea. To our ancestors, forefathers, your struggle became our freedom. Your vision became our future. Long live Samoa, long live the spirit of independence. Peacewarrior production.